Dear students, so far we have enjoyed the cultural festivals celebrated by the people from the land of seven sisters. Needless to say, all the states are rich in their culture and tradition. Dear children, in this part, let us unfurl the festivals and dances of the state known as the little brother to the amazing seven sisters. Let us know more about the festivals of Sikkim, the part of India where nature smiles the most. The text SGP 10. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, Sikkim is one of the most beautiful states of India. The Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show, and as per the Buddhist calendar. Throughout these festivals, people take part in lively dances and music. Sagadawa is an amazing Buddhist festival celebrated on the full moon day in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. On this sacred day, people visit the monasteries, offer prayers, water, incense sticks, and butter lamps. The festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment, and death of Lord Buddha. Losung is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. Locals wearing brightly colored masks, playing fascinating musical instruments, perform charm dance. Archery contest is also held along with feasting and other celebrations. Tibetan New Year, Losar, is marked with immense joy, extensive meals and merriment. It is usually held in February. Tihar is the festival of light. It is somewhat like Diwali. Hardly a month passes in any of the seven states without a festival or two. Most of them have a religious importance or significance, as the people offer thanks to the gods for a harvest or prosperity, or ask for protection against calamities. But these celebrations also help encourage cultural and artistic activities and bring out the natural talent of the people. Notes and glossary SGP 10. Lunar month. The average time between one new moon and next. Monastery. Building for housing Buddhist monks. Commemorate. To remind people of an important person or an event from the past. Enlightenment. Knowledge about and understanding of something. Fascinating. Extremely interesting or attractive. Immense. Huge or very large. Merriment. A state of cheerfulness. Calamity. A sudden event resulting in a great loss. Ask for. To request for something. Bring out. Phrasal verb. To make. Summary. SGP 10. Sikkim, a state in the eastern Himalayas, is one of the panoramic parts of India. Here, the festivals are observed as per the Buddhist calendar. The major festivals of Sikkim are Sagadawa, Losung, Losar, and Tihar. Sagadawa is celebrated on the full moon day in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. The festival pays tribute to the birth, enlightenment, and death of Lord Buddha. People visit the monasteries, offer prayers, water, incense sticks, and butter lamps during the observance. Dear children, the harvest festival, Losung, is celebrated by performing a dance called charm dance. During the festival, archery contest is held amongst the people. Similarly, Losar, celebrated in February, is a festival of joy and feasting. Another prominent festival is Tihar, popularly known as the Festival of Light in Sikkim. The northeast regions of India observes festivals throughout the year. These festivals have religious as well as agricultural significance. These are observed as a means of thanksgiving or entreat to gods or goddesses to be free from adversities. Nevertheless, festivals also help in bringing out the best in the people. Now, dear children, answer these questions. What does the festival Sagadava commemorate? When is Sagadava celebrated? Which dance is performed during Losung festival? Which festival of Sikkim is similar to Diwali? How do the Sikkimese celebrate their harvest festival? Now, the answers to these questions are as follows. The festival Sagadava commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. Sagadava is celebrated on the full moon day in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. Charm dance is performed during Losung festival. Tihar festival of Sikkim is similar to Diwali. The Sikkimese celebrate the harvest festival by visiting the monasteries, offering prayers, water, incense sticks and butter lamps to Lord Buddha. Thank you.